Okay, hello everyone. Today is July 12th. Uh, we will be starting the trading. Now I'm going to share the link. Let's see. Now it looks like the large tech is trying to climb back up. Could be a recovery day, but I don't believe that Tesla will actually recover. It's not a 30,000 day, but let's see how far it can go. Okay, 233. I think if it's flushing down, then maybe it can go down to 231. Oh my gosh. Will it extend the sell-off? Okay, QQQ is selling off. GME touched 26.11 and now it's coming down. So the low was 23.16. Okay. Damn, it's recovering. Tesla is recovering. Ugh. I think it's fake. Let's see. Baidu is running. Tesla might want to climb back up to 240-ish. Then maybe drop. I don't know. But I think it should drop. Okay, so it hit 240. I'm going to enter a small position in put. So enter Tesla put, a very small position. Oh, it's breaching. I think it's the short covering for Tesla. Ooh, looks ugly. Will it be able to recover all the way to 270? I don't know. Baidu is dropping. Looks like Tesla wants to go back up. It's breaching 242. Ooh, I think maybe Tesla would wanna recover, but it doesn't make sense because it looks weak. Maybe it's the short covering from 233. Things look weak. So instead of open, I had Meta. So this is Facebook. I'm going to look at Microsoft as well. Wow, Tesla keeps on going. Let me turn on some music. I think there's the drop. Let's see. Two more. Okay, I'm cutting losses for Tesla. The moment I cut losses, it started to drop down. Ugh, bad day. The first trade was bad. Let's see. Okay, I bought Nvidia calls. Okay, Tesla call as well. Looks like a recovery date to me. I canceled the limit order, but it failed. Okay, I'm buying Nvidia calls. So I've been entering, exiting, entering, exiting. Okay, I sold half of the Tesla calls. Nvidia is at 130. It's the resistance. Okay, I sold half of Nvidia. Okay, while I wait for the direction, I'm going to update the option trading. So GME, oh, I sold 30. So I'm still holding Nike, GME, TD. Okay. So Tesla couldn't break 247 and dropping down a little bit. It's going to try again. So let's see. So Tesla 2, Tesla 3. So these were the puts. 2.28, 3.8. And then I got rid of it at 2.01, 2.01. GME, I got rid of it at 2.3. Okay. And then I bought Nvidia 1.02. Tesla 15. 3.85. Then I sold for 5. Tesla, about 3.54. Oh shit. What did I buy? Nvidia about 15. Tesla 3.85. Bought and sold. I bought 20. Nvidia 15. I sold for 1.4. Then Nvidia, I bought 30 for 0.7283. I sold 10 Tesla for 4. I sold 15 for 0.99. Okay, so these I'm still holding. Okay, so these I'm still holding. Nvidia 30. Yep, I'm still holding these two. So I'm still holding all of these as well. I have Tesla put that I got yesterday for 1.07. No, I'm going to keep Tesla. Let's see. 247. Actually, no. Tesla sale. Whatever, I'm taking profit. Tesla 10, 4.05. Okay. So Tesla, I'm out. I'm still writing Nvidia for 130 calls. Okay, so I sold Nvidia calls as well for 0.98. Okay, and this I'm holding, but I think this one will become obsolete. So for Nvidia, because I bought 128 put and 132 call, the worst place it could be is 130. And then my loss will be maximum. I'm hoping that it could move either direction. It could go above 130, or it could just come down below. It come down below 128, because 130 is my maximum loss. Right, exactly right in between 128 and 130. So that's like my maximum loss. The market doesn't look that strong to me. Mm, Meta. I don't know, looks pretty weak to me. Looks like Meta is about to break out. Um, it's trying the resistance a few times. 501. Oh, what the hell? Okay. Okay, so Tesla, Nvidia, don't stay there, make a move. Make a move either direction. Okay. So I believe this move was the shorts covering. The shorts covering. Okay, so there's the Nvidia drop. How much did I make so far? Other than Jimmy, 3,400. Okay, Nvidia dropping. Okay, dropping. If the stocks want to move, I want them to move fast and not burn my premiums. Come on, if you want to drop fast. I'm not making any move now. I'm just waiting for some action to happen. Um, Microsoft. So QQQ just broke its uptrend, and the stocks are showing some weaknesses. There comes the short attack. Short attack on Tesla. Oh, it's being bought back. It's a very tricky place to enter either call or put. It's not showing a rebound for Nvidia, but at the same time, it's slowing down. Tesla is making a move. So Tesla wants to climb higher, but it's right now it's very tricky because it's sitting right at the ceiling. Even if this breaks, I think overall the market is showing some weaknesses, especially QQQ. Meta breaking down. It's breaking down. Let's see if it gets a support from 497. Okay. Market selling off. Okay, about put for Tesla. The reason why I entered put for Tesla um, is because Nvidia keeps stripping down, Meta broke down, and if it continues, then it should be. If it continues, then it should be the Tesla's turn as QQQ keeps on dropping. This is the rebound area for Meta. Meta rebounds. This was supposed to be the rebound range. But let's see how much it can rebound. Oh, actually the rebound is pretty strong. Oof. Okay, so that's the QQQ next leg down. It looked like the rebound was pretty strong, but it could not continue at this point, and it's still fighting. It still wants to go up, but at the same time, um, something is kind of holding it back. Meta was making the move, but it's stuck. What happened? What happened to Meta? Whoa. Wow, what was that? Okay, stock's moving sideways. Ah, so tense. Okay, Tesla, I cut losses. I got it for Tesla. I had 10. Oh shoot, I didn't sell the whole thing. Oof. Okay, so I got 5, 2.42. I'm still holding 5, 2.42. I sold for 2. Thought I cut the losses, but I didn't. Okay, Tesla cut losses for the other 5. Ah, that was stupid. For some reason, I didn't cut both of the losses. I only sold half, so that was really stupid. Okay, entered Tesla call. I think it can go to 50. Nvidia is back to 130. It's trying to crack the upside. Couldn't crack the upside. Will Nvidia come down again? Okay, Tesla going up. Two point six, 2.5. Oh, it's such a struggle to make the move up. Nvidia trying to crack that 130 one more time. Meta hit the low and then it bounced back. 503. I think they're all trying to crack or recover the points that they lost yesterday. Okay, Nvidia cracked. Going higher. Going higher. $2.7. I sold at 2.7. Okay, I'm going to buy Meta. Okay, Nvidia going up higher. I want to buy Meta, but Meta is because Meta is still down almost 2%. Um, there is a chance that it will just recover the whole thing if the market is recovering. Let's see. Okay, so I bought Meta. And I bought Nvidia call. Okay, I'll be right back. Going to the washroom. Okay, so I'm back. Okay, seems like Meta is going up pretty well. Again, the reason why I entered Meta was not because I like Meta, but the overall the overall market is up 1%, but Meta was still down. So somebody is still short on Meta. I know the market is shaky, but somebody is still short on Meta, which means, oh, Tesla going 250. Oh, that's crazy. Somebody was still short on Meta, meaning there is a potential that this will recover all the way. That's $5, $6, yeah. So that's the reason why I entered Meta. Oh, Nvidia selling off 130, 130-ish. Okay, but Meta keeps climbing back up. So Meta I bought 10, 3.3, and right now 4.2. Okay, I'm going to take profit. I'll probably take profit around here somewhere. Okay, so I sold half. That was, how much did I sell it for? 4.3. Okay, so 4.3. So I sold half of the Meta, and I'm still holding the other half. I think Tesla 20. Yeah, I'm still holding this. Tesla put. This is the one that I entered today, but Tesla is still going very, very strong. So it seems like it became obsolete to me. Okay, Nvidia going up. Come on, come on, come on. Nvidia barely moved. I'm not Nvidia. Microsoft barely moves. Maybe I should change that. Baidu? We're looking at Baidu yesterday. Whoa, what happened? So it was up to 104 pre-market, but it was dumped down to 100. So I think the rationale behind it is US is still strong, so maybe that's why. Maybe that's why Baidu keeps dropping. Because if US doesn't lower the interest rate, then China is still in trouble. Tesla keeps on climbing. Wow, what is that? It was going up nicely, and all of a sudden, there's big red. Wow, what is that? Wow. So I entered Tesla call just now here, a little bit, not all, but a little bit. I put Meta on limit sell, so if it hits 508 again, it will automatically sell. Nvidia hit 131. Ooh. Okay, so Meta is wow. It's making like it just made a $4 move in a very short period of time. So Meta is indeed a good stock to play options either way. So Nvidia touched the 131 and then it got sold sharply down at the same time as Tesla and Meta as well. They were all at the same time. So it seems like the ETF for the big techs was getting the short attack, but it seems like QQQ didn't budge too much. Oh, Nvidia recovering back. That's crazy. Because the stock market is very volatile, it's difficult to predict even like few seconds into it. Oh, I didn't notice Tesla was already up 3% today. It's crazy because it was down 2%. Now it's 3% up. That means it had a 5% movement upward. Nvidia is trying to crack 131 one more time. How much should Meta come down to if 503? Okay. So if Meta comes down to 503, wait. So there is one more Tesla that I entered. 5, 2.78. Okay. Okay. I sold Tesla to cut losses. 2.78. 1.69. Okay, I entered call. I keep enter. So when I exit, I try to enter because when I'm playing options for day trading, I try to enter the calls in the money. So if it moves a certain amount, you get the most return for that movement. I enter Baidu call. How many did I go in? 0.69. So I bought 10, 0.69. Looks like GME wants to break out, but the chart has been like this for a really long time. Nvidia is getting a short attack. Which makes Tesla drop as well because it's connected to tech stocks. Yeah, I knew pop. It looked like the chart was like this, but then it's been like this for a really long time. And then every time it gets to 26-ish, it gets sold off, and then it doesn't recover for the day. So when it's really difficult to predict the direction of the stocks, what I do is I enter small position and then I either increase or take profit. QQQ breaching daily high. It wants to recover a bit more. Baidu is having a very difficult time. 99 to 100. Meta wants to drop even more. Hmm. It's at resistance, so I believe either come down to 503 or it can bounce anytime very soon. So Baidu, I'm going to, since I bought into calls, I'm going to wait until tomorrow to see what happens. I bought 100 strike Baidu calls. So it's been 2 days in a row that it hit 104 and then dropped down, 104 and dropped down. So let's see what happens tomorrow. I'm going to look at Intel because it also lost a lot yesterday. Oh, interesting. Intel doing $1 move. Intel is doing a 3% move today. That's ridiculous. Okay, I bought a little bit more Meta. It tried to push down, but it couldn't, so I'm guessing this is the resistance. So I bought a little bit more. Let's see. Nvidia 131 again. Last time it hit 131, it broke down to 130, so it went up a dollar and then came down. Looks like it wants to go up higher. And I'm going to quickly take a look at the I'm going to quickly look at the banks. This is the Canadian market. The reason why I wanted to take a look was because I have TD calls and it looks like it's approaching the resistance, which is 77.5. So I'm holding TD calls. I'm trying to see when I want to liquidate. It's a long dated call. The chart looks good. I think it has a room to run until 80. But the question will be how fast, right? Hmm. Okay, I'll keep it. I'm going to keep it. I still have 1 month. Yep, 1 month. Hmm, it's moving sideways. Intel wants to crack 34.6. Nvidia wants 131, but it's so difficult to crack. Maybe the volume is not as much as usual because yesterday we had a sell-off. Today is kind of like a rebound day, right? Maybe everybody is kind of scared to see if QQQ will hold. I think QQQ is on the way to test 500 one more time. Um, so let's see. Oh, this is an important level that Tesla has to keep. Okay. It looks like there's a lot of buying pressure every time it reaches the resistance. Now, it doesn't mean that there's a chance of a rebound for the whole day. Um, the QQQ, it looks tired, but every time it goes to 497, it bounces back, right? Now, it's possible that it could just go sideways for the whole day um, to kill the option premiums. That means you will have an opportunity to enter at a resistance around here and then possibly exit at the ceiling. And just go up and down for the whole day. Um, it's a good way to make money. Now, the range that I'm looking at with Nvidia is about 70 cents. Um, I think the room is much bigger with Tesla. It's going at 247 to 249. So Tesla has more room to kind of wiggle, go up and down, and make profit. Intel got rejected at 34.67. That's a sharp sell-off. Now with QQQ, this is a rebound, 497. Okay, so I entered Intel put here. Because it got rejected. This is like maybe sixth time or seventh time. It tried to correct 37.6, but it couldn't. If it can pull back to like here, that'd be amazing. Let's see. Okay, so I exited Tesla. Wait, what is this Tesla? Oh, it's a new one that I entered. Oh, and I exited 3.06. Okay. Okay, looks good. I need Meta to recover. Trading within the range. Hmm. So Nvidia, it was supposed to rebound at 130.2, but it didn't. It went all the way to test 130. After it breached 130, it's bouncing back up. If it makes a lower high, then it's likely that it will stay at 130 for today. That means the worst nightmare for me is coming because I'll be losing the most money at 130. Intel climbing back up. Let's see. Let's see if it'll test and come back down. Every time it touches 26, there's a sharp sell-off for GME. So I will enter. I'm going to enter puts because it's been like this for ages. Oh, okay, so I entered 26 put for GME. All, it- all I'm asking for this to do is come down here, 25.6, and then I'll get out of the put. So I'm going to trade the range. Okay, Tesla trying to get out of the range. Will it work? I don't know. Jimmy, I got 20. this one already done. Oh, Jimmy, can you break 26 and stay there? Because last few times it reached 26 and then it couldn't hold 26, so it came down. But not sure if today is the day. I bought more put for Intel. Nvidia is killing me. I'm getting the maximum loss for Nvidia because it's staying right in between, right at 130, right in between 128 and 132. Meta looks like it's about to break out. Tesla looks like it wants to break out. But Nvidia, it's just moving sideways. I need Nvidia to pop above 131 and go towards 132 or crash down below 128. And I need Intel to go down. It looks like Baidu is still staying under 100. Oh, Intel. Intel is trying 34.67 for the maybe 8th time. If it rejects, it's going to come down even more than 34.5. Let's see. Okay, so there's the move for Meta. $505, $508. Tesla broke through 249.5, so it's going at 250 one more time. GME at 26. Tesla broke free. It's running with QQQ. And Meta also running. Intel is breaking out. Okay, I'm out from Meta. So 3 point, I enter 3.3, I exited 3.3. No profit, but no loss as well. So there's the drop. Intel breaking out. 34.7. Tesla going through. Wow, 251.7. Tesla trying to going back to where it was before, which was at 270. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I have 9 of them, 9 of them. So Tesla hit 151 after hitting the bottom three times, which was at 247. Nvidia wants to stick to 130, but I really need this to break out over 132 or go below 128. Okay, I need to go to different places now. So today I entered many positions. This one, I think it will become obsolete. Nvidia, this is also in trouble because if it stays at 130, then I'm going to lose $6,000 in total. No, $7,000 in total because I paid that much for the premiums. So I need a movement for Nvidia. Either direction is fine. Either direction. At least I can lose half but keep the other half. TD, on the other hand, is doing very well. Pretty much doubled in the call prices. So let's see. I'm holding it even more. I'm holding puts and calls for GME. Let's see how that plays out. Intel. If it drops, I'm good. If it doesn't, then I lose maybe $1,000, but that's fine. Okay, so that's it for today. I'm going to head out. So I will see you. Today's Friday. Oh shit. Today's Friday. Oh no. I thought I had one more day for the calls, but I don't. Oh my. My. Okay, 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I made a bad call because I thought today was Thursday. So I bought some options. Oh wow, what's happening? Wow, what's happening to GME? That's crazy, crazy. So I made a bad call. I thought today was Thursday, so I thought I had one more day. That's why I bought into so many calls and puts and whatever. Now, if Nvidia stays at 130, if it stays flat, then I'm in trouble. I really hope that Intel does come down and I can make some a break even for Intel, but that's a question to be remaining. Same thing with GME. I thought I could go up and down, but today was the expiry and it's flying up, so I'm going to lose all my premiums for put. But I do have calls because I had calls and puts, right? Just that I've been trimming my calls for the past oof, few days, and that sucks because it popped today. It's going it's going crazy now. 27. I think it halted. It's not showing me any movement. I closed my put for GME at a loss. I sold that 0.15. Okay, so I sold that loss. Not much, but still a loss. It's loss. It's not updating anymore. What happened? Okay, let me open a new one. That's almost a dollar move for Jimmy. That's crazy. I also got rid of Jimmy remaining calls. Sold at 3. Okay, that's amazing. Looks like Nvidia wants to just finish the day at 130, which will give me the maximum loss. Ah, that sucks. That sucks. Because today, when the market opened at 128, uh, it's still a loss. It was still a loss. Because it didn't go below 128. My only hope is a market sell-off at the end of the day, which I don't know. Highly unlikely on the option expiry. Oh, would that be possible? Is it really possible? Is it really possible? I also got rid of Baidu. I thought I had one more day, but it didn't. Okay, that's... I'm so stupid. Okay. I'm just clearing up some of the... Oh, look at Intel! Would I be able to make money? Can it go below? Can it go below? Can Intel help me to print? Is it going to bounce? Ah! I tried to sell half, but it didn't let me. So for Intel, that was a resistance. It bounced back up. I lost the timing to sell. I'm going to cut losses a little bit. I sold half. Still holding half, and the other one I sold at 0.13. I'm still holding the other half. I'm going to hold it for until the end of day, hoping that something like this will happen one more time. That was a market flush, I believe. so this one is done. I think Nvidia is finished. So what I'll do is I'm going to oh no no no. Okay. Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay. Hmm. So other than GME, I made 2,600. Okay. But it's gonna be a huge loss day anyways for me because of two Nvidias. Ah, damn, I thought I really had one more day. Ugh. I think Tesla I lost as well. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm going to just write off everything, write off everything, all the calls. Uh, actually, this was 30, 50, yeah, 0.788 average. Yeah. So I'm just gonna write off everything. Except Intel, because I think it actually has a chance of something happening. Unless QQQ sells off. Unless QQQ sells off. I think that's the only hope that I have. Okay. So I'm gonna just so what I'll do is I'm going to oh, you know what actually? No, 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 no. I'm not gonna write them off today. I'm not gonna write them off today. It's the same thing anyways. Write off today or write off next week. It's all the same. But I wanna enjoy today. And at the same time, I didn't really lose any money yet. Like it has to be another day. So I'm not gonna write them off yet. So that's today. Today was a good day. Yeah, today was a good day. The only mistake that I had today was I thought today was Thursday, and that was really stupid. It was really, really stupid because the purchases that I made were based on the assumption that today was Thursday, and then it was not. So there were some trades, like Baidu, for example, I lost money um, because I thought I had one more day, but I didn't. Okay. Oh, maybe I can make some money off of Nvidia put as well if it goes below 127. But let's see. That's a $2 move. Anyways, I'm done for today. Hopefully the market will crash. Hopefully everybody will be taking profit. And then my Intel will print. I'm very close on Intel, so let's see. If it prints, it prints. If it doesn't, then I lose an extra $700. That's fine. Um, Actually, I want to get rid of TD. I didn't want to get rid of TD because I thought it had more room to run. Um, Actually, it does. It does have more room to run. Okay, never mind. Never mind. I want to get rid of TD, but I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it. I changed my mind. Okay, so that's. Oh, QQQ sells off. Nice. Okay. Anyways, I'm done for today. I need to go somewhere. I will update with everything possibly today, if not on Monday. Okay? Thank you and have a great weekend. So what I'll do is I'm going to actually do this. Oh, okay. Okay, looks good, looks good. Okay, so that's it for today, and I will see you